In this quick video, I just want to give you a couple of tips about dado blades. So come on over close and take a look. They're really pretty simple, like I explained in the course. There's two outer blades separated by varying numbers of chippers to give you more or less width. If you want to fine-tune things, you can put these spacers of differing thickness between the chippers as they go on the arbor. But here's the thing to watch for. It's very important that when you stack these chippers in place, that the carbide teeth don't align with each other, because the carbide teeth, they stick out past the body. And if you put one on top of the other, like this, and you do up the nut on the arbor, you're going to be bending the chipper, and this is not the way it's supposed to go. So kind of a final check before you tighten up that nut is to make sure that none of the carbide teeth align with each other, because like I said, they stick out farther than the body of the saw blade that they're attached to, and that's very important. You don't want to get that wrong.